So the 2021 season of the NBA is off and bouncing. Been watching the early juggling, and it's the strangest thing. After 5 or 6 games, and already we know it's going to come down to the Lakers and the Clippers in the West, and either the Celtics, the Bucks, or the Brooklyn Nets in the East. Less than 2 weeks into the season, and already we're thinking about the playoffs. I think the NBA needs to do something about the regular season. They cannot have basketball fans in limbo for 6 or 7 months before getting us fully interested. And I think it extends to the players. Look at LeBron James, for example, at 36 years old in his 18th season. Outside of padding his individual stats and routinely qualifying for the playoffs, what motivation does LeBron James have to go out and play hard and passionate basketball for 82 or 72 games? I am sure that Kawhi Leonard and Paul George and the Clippers wish them could have just skipped the regular season and get back to the playoffs to get a shot at the title again. Yes. Maybe the likes of Kevin Durant and Kyrie Irving welcome the regular season to gel with their new team. But overall, the regular season is a drag. Yes. Maybe we should have a mid-season trophy or a mid-season MVP and a mid-season scoring title, etc. to keep the interest. Or else, the regular season, we have not won the playoff.